So, good afternoon, guys. Trust you are doing well. Now, we want to move to Indices Series Day 6. So, the Day 6 is going to be combination question on multiplication, division, and power law. That is what we are going to look at now. So, I want us to consider this NECO question. So, the question says simplify completely. Open brackets 3 raised to power of 4 times 3 raised to power of 2 all over 3 raised to power 3 close brackets raised to power 2 divided by 3 raised to power of 2. Now, this question comprises of 3 laws of indices: the multiplication law, the division law, and the power law. And we have done that from starting from the day 1 indices series moving to the 5th day. So this is the 6th day now. So let's solve together. Now I'm going to solve step by step. So the first step here is I want to use the multiplication law. The multiplication law states that multiplication is going to change to addition. Now I have 3 raised to power 4 times 3 raised to power 2. So that will be 3 raised to power 4 plus 2. That is 3 raised to power of 6. I'm done with the multiplication law. The second law I'm to apply now is what they call division law. And the division law states that once division occurs, is going to change to subtraction. So let me insert the question back. I will have 3 raised to power 6 upon 3 raised to power 3, close the brackets, raised to power 2 divided by 3 raised to power 2. Now these 3 and 3 are the same, and I'll bring it out. I'll pick 1, and I have power of 6. Division changes to subtraction, then we have 3. So I have 3 raised to power of 3. I've proven the division law, which changes to what? Subtraction. Are we following? Now, I've already cleared this. So the final answer is this with a square for this bracket divided by this as well. So I will say 3 raised to power of 3, close bracket, raised to power 2 divided by 3. Now 3 raised to power 2. Now here is where I'm going to use the third law, which is product law. No, sorry, I mean power law. We have product law, but this is power law. And that power law, to emphasize on product law, that is, I'm to multiply the inner power with the outer power. The inner power here is 3, the outer power here is 2. So I will say 3 raised to power 3 times 2, 6, divided by 3 raised to power 2. I will now come back to the division law. We say that division changes to what? Subtraction. So my final answer here will be 3 raised to power 6 minus 2. That is 3 raised to power 4. What is the option? That is option A. So don't forget to like, share, and comment. If you did not get the explanation, make sure you repeat the video back again for better understanding. So it is a bye for now.